2017 model Bobcat S650. New tires on this unit also, 2-speed unit. It's got a little over 4,200 hours on it. Located here in Arlington, Texas, boys. Nice clean unit. All the joints are tight on it. 2-speed machine. Even the front joints are tight as well. Nice clean tires. Tooth bucket on it. Manual connect. New tires. '73 to '24 oil change. Nice clean oil, guys. Runs excellent. No blow by. Guys took care of this unit and did lots of oil changes. Because if they didn't, it would have blow by. Runs good. All the sheet metal's nice and straight and clean. Boys, these are nice, clean S650s. You usually get really trashed with those kind of hours, but this one's really nice. Seats in decent condition. 4,273.2 hours on it, guys. Everything looks good here. No active warnings. Everything's flowing good on that. It's a nice clean machine, low and high speed. Throttles up well. Works good. Give you a quick little operations video here and let you see this thing work in action. As you can see, guys, the machine runs and works. The drive motors are strong on it. It's not loose. Nice tight front end on this machine. All the bushings are tight. Nice new tires on it, guys. Really clean unit for the hours. No blow by. Nice paint on the machine. Someone would be getting a pretty good deal here because this machine doesn't need anything and it's ready to go. Located here in Arlington, Texas. We got two of them. We got this one here. Got this one here. Buy both as a package or buy one, but they both are in the same condition. So if you're interested, give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1855-EQ Deals. Thank you.